Meaning of Indonesia.
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 Indonesia. Indonesia is a country located in Southeast Asia and Oceania, known for its vibrant culture and natural diversity. The name Indonesia is derived from two Greek words, Indos meaning India and Nisos meaning island, translating as Indian Islands. Indonesia is the world's fourth most populous country and is made up of over 17,000 islands, with Java being the most populated island. It boasts many natural wonders including active volcanoes, pristine beaches, tropical rainforests, and world-renowned diving spots. The country's official language is Indonesian, with Islam being the predominant religion.